How to make Italian spaghetti. Ingredients: carrot, egg, capsicum, tomato sauce, soya sauce, onion, tomato, coriander leaves, garlic, ginger, and wheat spaghetti. Let's prepare. First, prepare the egg fry. For this, we will be using olive oil, or you can use any oil. Add eggs. Add salt. Add pepper. Keep the eggs aside. Boil water. Now let's add our spaghetti. Let us wait till it immerses down in the water. When it's half done, let's add salt. Add some oil. After 10 to 15 minutes, take it out and drain the spaghetti, as there must not be any water left. Add oil. Add garlic and ginger. Saute it well. Add chopped onions. Now add some salt. Add chopped tomatoes. Add carrots. Add capsicum. Saute it well together. Cover with the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's soft. Now let's add our chili flakes. Add tomato sauce. Add soya sauce. Saute it well. Add pepper. Add salt. Put the egg fry. Add boiled spaghetti. Mix it well with the spaghetti so that the flavor goes well with the spaghetti. Garnish with coriander leaves. Italian spaghetti is ready to be served. Let's taste it. Tastes good.